Today is a full body workout with weights. So we will be using a set of dumbbells. I've got a set of two 5-kilo dumbbells, also a kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, that's totally fine. You can just use a dumbbell. It's just going to be for our kettlebell swings and our goblet squats I'm using it for, but yeah, that's fine to use with dumbbells if you need to. I'm also using a barbell. If you don't have a barbell, that's fine as well. You can just use your dumbbells for the exercises that I'm using a barbell for. All right, let's get straight into it. We've got 6 exercises and we are supersetting them. So 2, 2, 2, minimal rest in between because we like to get in and get it done. And yeah, let's go. First up, clean and press. So we've got 10 reps here. If you don't have a barbell, just use this with your dumbbell. So I will show you with a dumbbell next set as well. So coming down, catch, press, back down. Driving through the heels, right through this movement. It is a full body movement. My barbell is a 12.5 kilo barbell, not too heavy at all. 4 to go. Last 2. And 1. Straight into a goblet squat. I am using an 8-kilo kettlebell for this one. I've got 10 reps, so just holding your kettlebell or your dumbbell, whatever you've got. Close stance with the feet and driving through those heels. Chest up. Four to go. One. Short rest in between. Going to do my next set with the dumbbells to show you with dumbbells as well. But yeah, I never really go too heavy with these. I hurt my back just after I had Bailey. It was like a few months, probably like 3 months after I had Bailey. I had a group workout thing, trying to go heavy, and then I was literally in pain for about 18 months. It still actually hurts. All right, let's go. Push and press at the top. Hinge at the hips here. Four to go. Three, last 2. One. Simple and easy. And same with our goblet squat. If you are using a dumbbell for this, exactly the same movement. Drive through those heels. Five to go. Last 2. 1. Short rest in between. Have a drink if you need to. Alright, I'm going back to the barbell for this one. Let's go. Nice and strong right throughout this. If you feel yourself starting to fatigue and that technique is being compromised, then drop those weights a bit or have a little rest. Technique is always at the forefront, especially when you're a mum, especially when you are a mum and you can't afford to hurt yourself. Straight into those goblet squats. All right, let's go. Sink into your heels. Eyes up, chest up. Breathing out as you push to the top. Last 2. 1. Alrighty, short break in between. Have some water. We've got 2 new exercises to get into. We're going single arm row. I'm using a 5 kilo dumbbell for these ones. Into a kettlebell swing or dumbbell swing, whatever you've got. Alright. Coming down, back is nice and straight as you can see, and we're pulling that elbow back. I rest my other arm just here on my hip. Three more. Switching sides. Once again, we're not going overly heavy. And we're done. All right, straight into kettlebell swings. We've got 10 reps here. Drive those hips forward at the top. We're just bringing that kettlebell to eye height. Last 2. Have a break. Move this before I trip over it. Short break in between and straight back into it. All right, let's go. Grab your dumbbell. Hinge at the hips, pull back. Last 3. Switching arms. 10 reps here. Halfway. 2, 1. All right. Kettlebell swings, let's go. Straight into it, followed by a short break. Three, 2, 1. Should feel that heart rate elevating. Most definitely through those kettlebell swings. We've got one more round here before we move on to our next 2 exercises, which are quite brutal. All right, grab that